Clubhouse has announced an accelerator program for creators on its platform. I got knocked out my contact lens. I got too fired up over there. Knocked my contact lens straight out.
Where is it now?
I don't know. It could be anywhere.
Oh.
It could be in a cookie jar. I just fixed it. Clubhouse announces accelerator program for creators. They got to do something. I'll tell you what. They got to do something. Everybody's coming for this now.
Uh-huh.
You woke up all the giants.
Uh-huh.
You were enjoying your nice little location. You were the hot startup, new kid on the block. You know, it's like the new kid at the high school. It's like all the attention. What's with that outfit? How do you do all that? Where'd this guy come from? And then all the giants wake up and they go, no, we show that guy what's up.
Yeah.
You can't come in here like that.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's Twitter and that's Facebook, and they're both figuring it out. Facebook hasn't really done as much yet, but apparently they're working on it. Twitter has Spaces. And now all of a sudden you're like, oh, God, our fancy little outfit, we got to do more. Mm-hmm. And that's where this comes in. Now you got to bribe people. I'm sticking with the high school thing. You got to start. It's like a mob mentality. This is quite a cool high school. You following me on this, Will?
Sure, yeah.
So what you do is you do this accelerator program. You take the hottest people on the platform, you pay them.
Okay.
You pay them to stay there because ultimately people keep using the app if the right people are there and those broadcasts happen there. And so this is the early. They got to move quick, man. Forget about your accelerator pro. Start paying people right now. Mm-hmm. Start paying people right now before they start using this Twitter Spaces stuff. But monetization is hard. What is it? Like, is there premium accounts and then the creators get a percentage? This is hard stuff to implement quickly. Is there advertising? I don't know. Is there even a spot for advertising on platform right now? Do people be receptive to it? It's all these questions that you have to now move faster because those giants are marching towards you and you can feel the footsteps. Mm-hmm. And so I'm curious about it. I want them to figure it out, but I do think this is where others screwed up. It's where Vine screwed up. It seems TikTok sort of figured out. They tried to pay a few people to stick around. I don't know how that's going, but it does matter, as far as keeping creators engaged with the platform. They got to see a reason for it. They got to see it's nice to have the follower counts and things like this, but eventually you don't figure out monetization and that user, that creator is a lot more liquid. They can just flow somewhere else.
Yeah, grab a couple developers and then just make their own.
Oh, no, I wasn't suggesting that. I just meant go to the other platform, like Twitter.
Oh, like jump ship.
Well, chances are they already have a bigger following on Twitter anyway. Like, just cut out the extra process. Now, if Clubhouse was like, no, for every broadcast you do, here's the revenue. Well, all of a sudden you're like, oh, I guess I'll be over there. Uh-huh. You see, there's no incentive like that. That's a powerful incentive. Even Twitter's trying to figure out more powerful incentives. They were talking about having the super follows and things like this to keep people engaged and the right users on the platform. Ultimately, these are giant parties and everybody wants the right people at their party.